everyone, this is Chelsea with Peace and Unity Pet Care. Tomorrow is the 4th of July, so I just wanted to give you guys some tips on how to sound condition your dog. More dogs are lost on 4th of July than any other day of the year. So a lot of dogs, even if they don't get lost, a lot of dogs will hurt themselves, whether it's out of fear, just hiding in really unsafe areas, biting their crate, tearing out through windows, through doors, really unsafe stuff, really dangerous stuff. And even if your dog's just sitting there stressed out all night, it's not going to be a fun time. So what you can do to help your dog improve on noises that they are afraid of, whether it's fireworks, kids crying, vacuum cleaners, blenders, any noise, construction noises, snow plows, any noise that's really gonna stress them out like this, you can work with them on. And it's almost kind of like therapy for your dog. You just want to really desensitize them instead of just making them go through this every time there's a holiday like this. So what you really don't want to do is be petting your dog while they are in a nervous, fearful mindset, because that is literally saying, good dog, you're afraid, that's what I want. So be really aware of what kind of state of mind and energy your dog has when you are giving them physical affection, because you can actually be rewarding for that behavior. So to start off, sound condition your dog. I have some firework noises playing right now. It's just an 8-hour firework display. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to have the volume on really low, and you want your dog to be in a command. So whether it's the place command or kennel, it needs to be a known command, though. It could also be a downstay. But the dog already needs to understand this command before you start working on these types of distractions. So you want to teach your dog the place command, the kennel command, like I said, and really start practicing that. Get them to the point where they're totally okay and totally comfortable with the command, because then what you're going to do is actually correct for non-compliance with the command while these sounds are playing. So if you start off really low and your dog is on place and they get up and come off of place, you would correct for that. If they were in their kennel, you would correct for any reactivity, whether it's barking, scratching at the crate, biting at the crate. You need to correct the physical reactivity that they have to the sound. And correcting can be done with a remote collar or a bonker. This is the remote collars that we have on Bella right now. So the remote collars are our choice of correction, just because you can really pinpoint what level the dog is going to need to snap them out of that mindset. So once you have that volume on low, your dog is okay in place. They either have been corrected and put back on place. Go ahead and let them hang out for a little bit. A lot of times, if your dog is nervous and really fearful of these noises and they're corrected and kind of forced to be in one place, you will start seeing some nervous shaking. You can start seeing some excessive panting. Go ahead and let them de-stress. That is their stress coming out. Once you stop the body from moving around, hiding, pacing around, even if they're just pacing around, not seeming like they're really scared, super scared or anything like that, their mindset can just be setting them through a whirlwind. So just really got to keep their body still and be able to correct for non-compliance to that known command. So once they are okay, they're chilling on place with this noise on low, I'm just gonna go ahead and bump it up to a louder noise. And again, this is what you can do, whether your dog takes days and days or even weeks sometimes to really bump it up to a very loud level. That's okay, just go at your dog's pace. This stuff doesn't happen overnight, but eventually, even dogs that are super scared, jumping out of their skin from noises like this, you can get this simple behavior. That's just some tips for you guys. I think we're getting to the finale right here, so I'm gonna let you go. Everybody have a safe, happy 4th of July tomorrow. Advocate for your pets, take care of them, and happy training.